Have you ever considered that some of the most powerful remedies for common ailments could be right outside your door? Imagine the joy of picking fresh herbs to soothe a headache, calm your nerves, or boost your digestion, all while basking in the satisfaction of a thriving garden. For centuries, herbs have been nature's pharmacy, offering relief and promoting wellness in ways that modern medicine is still uncovering. If you're over 50 and seeking natural ways to enhance your health, you're not alone. Many are turning back to these age-old remedies for a simple reason: they work. Let's dive into the world of healing herbs and discover how growing them at home can benefit your well-being. Basil isn't just for pizza night. This fragrant herb is loaded with antioxidants and compounds that can ease stress and support digestion. Whether you've overindulged at dinner or feel the pressures of the day building up, basil tea or fresh leaves can offer relief. Growing basil is as simple as planting it in a sunny spot and keeping the soil moist. Whether in pots on your patio or directly in your garden, basil thrives with minimal effort. Imagine adding its fresh, peppery flavor to salads or soups, while knowing it's also boosting your overall wellness. Feeling bloated or nauseous? Reach for mint. Known for its soothing effects on the digestive system, mint can also ease headaches and freshen your breath. Mint grows like a charm, even for those without a green thumb. Just be sure to plant it in a pot, as it has a habit of taking over. Once you start adding fresh mint leaves to teas, water, or even desserts, you'll wonder how you ever lived without this versatile herb. Struggling to relax or get a good night's sleep? Lavender is famous for its calming properties. Its gentle aroma can ease anxiety, while a cup of lavender tea before bed can help you unwind. Lavender is surprisingly easy to grow, especially in sunny, well-drained areas. Whether you use it to make sachets, candles, or teas, having lavender in your garden is like having a personal relaxation assistant. Rosemary isn't just a fragrant seasoning. It's also a brain-boosting herb that supports memory and digestion. Rich in antioxidants, it's an excellent choice for maintaining cognitive health as you age. This hardy herb thrives indoors and out, provided it gets enough sunlight. Use it to flavor roasted vegetables, meats, or even infused oils for an easy way to enhance your meals while nurturing your mind. For respiratory health, thyme is a champion. Its antimicrobial properties make it a natural defense against coughs, colds, and infections. Growing thyme requires little effort. It loves sunlight and well-drained soil. Beyond its health benefits, thyme is a kitchen staple. Use it to season roasted chicken, sprinkle it over soups, or brew it into tea for a warming, immune-boosting drink. Stressed out? Having trouble sleeping? Chamomile might be just what you need. Its mild sedative effects can relax your mind and body, making it a favorite bedtime remedy. Chamomile grows well in sunny spots with well-drained soil. It's perfect for small gardens or pots. Once you harvest its delicate flowers, you can brew them into a calming tea or use them in skin-soothing remedies. Feeling under the weather? Echinacea is a powerhouse for boosting immunity and fighting off colds. Studies show it can shorten the duration of illnesses and even prevent them when taken regularly. This vibrant herb thrives in gardens with plenty of sunlight. You can use its flowers and roots in teas or tinctures, giving you a natural way to stay healthy through the colder months. There's something deeply rewarding about growing your own remedies. Not only do you get the satisfaction of watching your plants thrive, but you also gain access to fresh, potent herbs whenever you need them. Whether it's a quick pick-me-up from mint tea or the calming embrace of lavender, these plants connect us to nature in meaningful ways. Starting your herb garden doesn't require a green thumb or a large space. A sunny windowsill, a few pots, and some basic gardening supplies are all you need to get started. With time, you'll discover that tending to your garden is as therapeutic as using the herbs themselves. From easing stress to boosting immunity, these herbs are more than just plants. They're allies in your journey toward better health. Why not begin today? Choose a few herbs that resonate with your needs and watch how they transform not just your meals, but your overall well-being. We love hearing from our community. Let us know what you think, and please share your experience in the comments below. Your story could inspire others to embark on their own journey towards better health. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. As always, take care of yourself and thanks for watching.